Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
AWS stands for Amazon Web Services. AWS for Beginners offers database storage options, computing power, content delivery, and networking among other functionalities to help organizations scale up. It allows you to select your desired solutions while you pay for exactly the services you consume. Only 6 March 2019.
Let's help you make your mark.
Amazon Web Services (AWS) is the market leader in IaaS (Infrastructure as a Service) and PaaS (Platform as a Service) for cloud ecosystems, which can be combined to create a scalable cloud application without worrying about delays related to infrastructure provisioning, compute, storage, and network and management. 21 May 2019.
Make your mark, take our lead.
You just need to enroll with them and then you can learn AWS at any time, at any place, and on your own schedule. But, if you are completely new to the AWS domain or cloud, let me give you a brief overview of Amazon Web Services and its benefits over traditional infrastructure setup. 12 February 2020.
Make your mark, take our lead.
At Oz Training, you can enroll in free digital training and get unlimited access to more than 100 new courses built by AWS experts. Visit Oz Training to enroll in free digital training and learn about AWS at your own pace, or AWS Training and Certification to find out more about our offerings. 27 November 2017.
Let's help you make your mark.
Amazon Web Service is an online platform that provides scalable and cost-effective cloud computing solutions. AWS is a broadly adopted cloud platform that offers several on-demand operations like compute power, database storage, content delivery, etc., to help corporates scale and grow. 24 February 2021.
Let's help you make your mark.
AWS is a comprehensive, easy-to-use computing platform offered Amazon. The platform is developed with a combination of infrastructure as a service (IaaS), platform as a service (PaaS), and packaged software as a service (SaaS) offerings. Advantages of AWS. Disadvantages of AWS. 14 February 2021.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.